Day 29. Let's pause and look back at everything since day 21. You learned more core algorithm settings: set benchmark, set time zone, set account currency, and set warm-up. A few things are worth double-checking before you move on. Set benchmark gives you a point of comparison. It lets you see whether your algorithm actually beat the market instead of just looking at raw returns. Set time zone controls what time zone your algorithm's clock runs on. This matters for anything tied to specific times of day. Set account currency sets the currency your portfolio is denominated in. Set warm-up lets your algorithm load historical data before trading begins. Without it, your indicators can be empty when your algorithm first starts. Before day 30, try the practice task below. In Initialize, set a benchmark, set a time zone, set an account currency, and apply a warm-up period. That's day 29. See you at day 30.